Hello friends who would like to find a better way. In this quick video, I am going to show you how you can change your default save location in Word. So for example, I work with a lot of clients on shared server organization, and as a result of what we're doing, we oftentimes want them to be saving their documents into a structured set of folders, and that location may be different than the location that they are used to saving to. A lot of times these computers just default to saving to the C drive or to My Documents or someplace that is not where you want to be saving regularly. You can change that default location, and it's super easy, especially in Word. We are just going to go up to the File, Options. So regardless of what version Word you have, if you have 2007 or later, you have something that is like File written down, and you can get to Options. So I'm going to click on Options, and then here where it says Save, I'm going to click on Save. And right here in the middle, it talks about default local file location. So there's a couple paths here. This is the auto recover file location. We don't want to change that, but we do want to change the default local file location. You can see right now mine is saving to the C drive, my account, and documents. I'm going to change that. I'm going to say browse. And I use OneDrive, so I'm going to say I want the default save location just to be in general to OneDrive. I might want to be saving it into any of these particular folders. So I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click OK. So now when I want to save a document for the first time, I can click on Save or go to Save As. And because I'm in the app and because I'm in these Office 365 type environment, I'm going to go ahead and click on this PC because I don't want any of these recent locations. For a lot of you, you're going to go straight to your Save As dialog box, and you're going to be right where you want to be. In this case, I get to my Save As dialog box, which looks a little bit different, but you can see my location is no longer that Documents folder, but it is that actual OneDrive, and I'm seeing my list of folders displayed here. So again, it works the same. That File Options, changing your Save As, works the same regardless of what version Office you might be using. Your Save As dialog box, as you are going to figure out soon if you haven't already, has changed slightly, but we're still able to change our default save location. So I hope that helps. If you like this tip, please go ahead and like the video on YouTube. And if it was an aha for you, I would love for you to leave a comment. While you're here and before you leave, be sure and subscribe to this channel or to my newsletter to get these tips delivered directly to your inbox. So thanks again for watching. I hope it helps.